Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this body is design here, and this body is golden color, and also this project is looking so perfect, and this is a very nice looking here. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and today learn here all process is learn here easily, and this is a very useful in home. And okay, this is a multi-section view is draw here, and also this is a isometric view is also correct. Okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and all front side and back side and boundary is all is looking perfect, and all is draw here is this is a correct. Okay, this is a looking very nice draw here, and back side is also this is looking perfect. Okay, and back side and this is the front side is also looking perfect. And then this body is designed here easily and clearly, and this is a beginner student is very useful, and this practice tutorial is very useful. And let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, at first select a mechanical design and use a generative sheet metal design, and at first click a part is okay. This is a CATIA software interface is looking here, and you can see here easily. At first select any plane. This XY plane is create here, and this is a position sketch is draw here, and use a this sweep and reverse vertical, then click OK. This is a perfect, and use a center rectangle. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this corner point is this is a 25 millimeter is correct. Okay, and mention any dimension. This length is and again select this width, this height, and this width is correct. And this is a 340 millimeter is correct, and also this is a 210 is correct. Okay, this is a looking so perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a green color means this body is fully defined and all is correct. Then use a exit, and at first click this sheet metal parameters because all command is not activated, and at first select this sheet metal parameters, then other command is also activated. And this sheet metal parameters dialog box is pop up, and this thickness is 2 millimeter, and this default bend radius is 4 millimeter is correct. But this value is also changeable, and you can see you can easily change here this value, and but this value is correct. Click OK, and at first select this wall is create here, and direction is upward, but invert material side is correct. This is correct. Okay, and this plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. And at first this is click this and use this shading with edge without a smooth edge is click here, and okay, this boundary is easily draw here. And at first select this face and create a positional sketch, and use a sweep and reverse vertical and click OK. This is perfect. And use this offset command is used here, and anywhere is select here. This is correct, and this body is this value is -12 is correct, and all is perfect. And then exit. Okay, and this is a use a surface stamp command is used here, and click at first this. Okay, and this angle is 90 degree is correct, but this height is 25 millimeter, and again select a 26 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this first radius is 4 millimeter and second radius is 6 millimeter is correct, and this preview is showing here. This is a use a like tray. Okay, this is a correct, but this glass gap is not draw here, and at first not see here, but but this glass box is a drawing. At first select this face and use a position sketch. Okay, this sweep and reverse vertical, and then click OK. This is a perfect, and at first click a profile, and this line is a basic line, but this line is a center line is create here. Okay, this is a click center line only usable, and this is a click a circle. Circle is a drawing. Okay, 3 circle is drawing here. Okay, this is a correct, and again this is a okay, this 3 circle is draw here, and mention any dimension, and dimension is a this. Okay, 80 millimeter is correct, and also this 80 millimeter is correct, and also this is a 80 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this point and this line is a okay, this is a 56 millimeter is also, and this point and this line is a 56 millimeter. Okay, 46 millimeter is correct. Okay, but this is a 45 millimeter is better. Okay, correct, and also this is this point and this is a okay, this is a 45 millimeter is correct, and this point and this line is a okay, this is a 56 millimeter is also correct, but this point and this line is also then use a 45 millimeter is correct, and this point and this point is a okay, this is a 102 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is correct. Okay guys, this is a this is a fully defined, and some use a mirror command, and one by one is this is a mirror, and again select this is a mirror, and again select this is a mirror. Okay, all is green color means this is a fully defined. Okay, this is a correct, and exit, and use this surface stamp command is also used here, and click this. Okay, and this is a 60 millimeter is correct, and also this first radius is 2 millimeter and second radius is 8 millimeter is correct. Then use a this. Okay, this is a correct, but this is a 60. Okay, this is a 62 millimeter is also perfect. Then click OK, this is a correct. Okay, and some boundary is used here. This boundary is drawing means this teardrop command is used here, and this length is 2 millimeter, and also this radius is 2 millimeter is correct, and select this upper line, and upper line is also okay, this is correct. Okay, all is upper line is select here, and then use boundary is drawing here, this is a correct, and click OK, and this boundary is easily drawing here, and all is looking perfect. Okay, and use this material this shading with material, at first click here, then apply a material. Okay, and this is a steel command is used here, and click this steel is right click, and this property is select here, and this reflectivity is very high, and also this is a correct. Okay, and apply this material is looking so nice here, and all is correct, and this is a okay, this back side is also drawing is looking perfect, and front side is also looking perfect, and both side is a looking correct. Okay, okay, this is a looking so nice here, and all is a looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay guys, okay guys, all point is learn here, and guys I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. And guys, next project and next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.